So hi everyone, welcome to this very short video on understanding our sales approach in Udemy, our B2C approach. And Udemy is a very well-known global marketplace and has a lot of people going through it to purchase courses online. So this is the first part, which is our profile. As you can see, it talks a lot about what we do in Diginomics. And the next important thing we'll need to know is also to uh, what is the account that is used for the payout. So through which account do we receive all the purchase that we get, and it's through Huiming's PayPal account. Follow up with the finance department every month, and I'll tell you in a while what are the dates that you should look out for. Basically, payments are made to us every single month. All right, so it's not automatic, it's only at a certain day of the month that it's credited to us. Now, other than that, it's just the account is currently registered under learn@diginomics.com. Password is the same password that we use for our email account. And other than that, it's a lot to do with privacy and also notifications, which can be found in all the documents part. All right. So that is all regarding the profile. And now let's move on to the instructor dashboard. So if you click the instructor dashboard, it brings you to this area here, and this area tells you a very simple idea about what is going on in your life uh, as the instructor. So this is the one course. This is our first course that we had released and published. As you can see, we have earned a total of $102.45 as of 12th of June, with an average rating. Okay, so what we'll do is we will just quickly go through one by one. So in each course there are 5 parts, right? There is course management, go to revenue, go to reviews, go to student list, and finally go to questions. So let's just go to course management. Now when it comes to course management, this is with regards to how you actually do you create the course, right? So you have, first of all, the target student. So what are the knowledge and tools required in order for someone to take this course? Alright, so we just mentioned that you just require basic knowledge in management because it's just an influencing course. Alright, this course was created a few years back and was done by Roshan, and it's a very basic entry-level knowledge. So that is why who should take this course. We mentioned it's entry-level executives and anyone with a keen interest in building influence. Alright, what would students be able to achieve? Now according to Udemy, this is one of the key objectives that a lot of people are looking for, and that's why you got to be very clear in it. So like I mentioned, you are able to apply useful and appropriate influencing technique. You're able to actually use the influencing skills in tough situations, and also how would you be more effective in gaining buy-in and support from your stakeholders. All right, you can have like minimum 1 objective, or you could have at least 2 and most 3 lah. Right, because having too many objectives will then mean that the course is not focused. The next part here is the curriculum. The curriculum is the integral part of the course where you're going to upload the videos and all. And another video I'm going to show is with regards to how are we going to do a course. Alright, so but just to give you an idea, we have, like, we can put different sections, and with each sections we have different topics which are termed here as lecture. So lecture 1 is when I click this drop down, there's a video that I've already uploaded earlier on, and there's a small text here that tells what are the key outcomes that one could obtain. So in this first video, which is called Influencing in the Workplace, an introduction, the listener would be able to understand the difference between exerting influence and exerting power, and understand how exerting influence can build confidence among peers. Now there's also downloadable materials. We add resources, and it's also useful to have them on board, just in case some of the students that we get, they also like to watch and read at the same time. You'll be surprised by how some people have very unique learning styles. So there's section 1, there's section 2, and there's section 3. Again, this highly depends on the way the course has been structured. There could be only 1 section, for instance, and like 8 videos, but it's good to have different sections so that whoever is purchasing it knows that this course has a certain progression level to it. All right, and then you can add lectures, you can add quiz, you can add some assignments, and this just adds more value to the course. The next important thing here is, of course, captions. Udemy provides caption options after the video has been uploaded. So so as you can see, these are all uploaded, but then in our promotional video that we did with Roshan, this was auto generated. But it will be very good if you could use YouTube, for instance. You can upload the video to YouTube and use the auto transcribe and edit from there, and then you upload that file into the video. All right, either that or you rely on Udemy's subtitles. Either way, make sure that you just check it and ensure that it's all correct, to ensure there's no funny language behind that. The next one here is Udemy feedback. So what happens is that when the course is being built, they would give a feedback at the end of it. All right, so now since the course is already published, they have not recommended us any improvements. Now the next one here is in terms of cost management. So you have price and coupons. Now this is the exciting part, because this is where we're going to make the bucks. So for the cost building influence in your workplace, we have termed it as a 20 ringgit course. Now I'm going to share with you in the next video as to what are the things that we have to realize. But in terms of pricing in general, most people purchase courses in Udemy for the price range of between $20 to $30 only. It's very rare that purchases are made above $30 unless if it's an instructor that is globally well known. But in our case, because we're still new, of course we'll have to build that connection first lah. All right, now when we build the price tier, there's only a total of different tiers. As you can see on the screen, there's 19.99. It's either free or the cheapest you can go is $20, and then it just adds on every $5. All right, and then we can also create coupon codes. So coupon codes are a way for us to engage with people, our own contacts, and also as a way of differentiating the coupons that we give to people. So like internal, this is for those who are within Leaderonomics or people that we want to give access so that they can just get it for free. All right, so we'll just get link, copy this link, and then you pass it to someone, and when the person clicks it, he would get the course for free. But we also have different coupons for different purposes. Like LDR SME, we created 100 coupons, and the idea of it was that we wanted to do it in different channels, and this is going to be discussed in the sales video, where I will show you how we tried out different methods to drive sales. And other than that, if you go to students, you will be able to see these are the list of students that have entered our course. So you can see there's a lot of them. Last visited, enrolled, progress, last messaged, etc. And if you want to get this in a CSV, you can just click export to CSV, and the file would then be sent to our learn@leaderonomics.com email, right? And finally, just some analytics. Analytics just briefly shares with us how is our respective videos doing. As expected, lecture 1 has most of the attention, but by the time we go to lecture 9, it's already dropping off.